One of the best ways to get rid of blackheads on the nose. We also put the result of the video at the end of the video, so stay with me until the end. A spoonful of sugar. A teaspoon of coconut oil. The properties of coconut oil for the skin are incredible and many scientific articles confirm it. Mix time. Hello MTT. Blackheads greatly affect the beauty of men and women. It is better to massage with your 2 fingers. Repeat with me. It smells really good. Great. After 5 minutes, rinse with water. Let's to see the result. Dry your face. The result is really great. My skin is very soft. This channel is for your beauty, so subscribe to your channel. I suggest you also watch this video. We are human with any race. Thank you very much for watching.